Alright guys, we are here in Bowling Green, Kentucky at my favorite event of the year. I should say favorite event of all time because I've grown up coming to this event. We are on our way to Beach Bend Raceway Park for National Hot Rod Reunion, which is by far my favorite, the coolest event ever. Let's put the camera down so the cop don't see me. Ooh, T-bucket. Not only is this the best event because it has the best collection, I don't even know what to call it, which if any of you guys have been to LS Fest or Ford Fest or Mo Party or whatever they're called, you've been to Beach Bend Raceway Park and you already know it's the coolest venue ever. For those who haven't made it to Bowling Green, Kentucky for any events, just to come to Beach Bend, you need to make it up here. It's the coolest little track in the middle of nowhere, in the woods, behind a cornfield. Yep, that's corn. Which this is the very first event that I ever tried to film 2 years ago, 2019. You can go back to the very first video on my channel and see how far I've come with filming and editing. I filmed this on my iPhone with a phone gimbal, and I learned quickly after that not to ever do that again. That was rough. It was mainly transferring the footage. But anyway, we are here pulling up to the gate right now.
It'd be $25.
25?
You have a good one today.
All right, is that all I need? Just a ticket?
Yes, sir. Just hold on to that.
Sounds good, thank you. Day 2 here at Bowling Green Hot Rod Reunion. We're going to do a walk around with this awesome Corvette, and I'm a paint and body guy, as some of you guys may know, so you'll understand why I'm obviously attracted to this car here real soon. What's your name? What's the car?
I am Scott Leber. I own ScottRods Customs, and that is our Cosmic Ray 63 Corvette split window coupe.
I'm a paint and body guy, so obviously I was attracted to it immediately.
Sure.
I'm guessing it's full tube chassis, no ScottRods. It's custom fiberglass body on full tube chassis.
Yeah. Well, it's not a full tube chassis because our rules, we have to say, well, it has a 750 NHRA cert.
Okay.
And we have to run square tube main rails. The rest of it is chrome moly.
Oh, okay. So how much of it is square tube?
Just the main frame rails.
Okay.
Yep, the rest of it's tube.
I'm guessing it being fully one-off, there's not much of a story behind it as far as like where did you get the car, but what did it start out as? What is ScottRods?
Two sticks of steel and a drum of resin. That's what it started out as. Yeah. Gordon Crowman Fab, he fabbed the chassis for us.
Yeah.
While we were making the body.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all custom made chassis, body, everything on the car was hand built.
Yeah. Can you show me around the inside a little bit?
You bet. Gordon did all the tin work, the flames in the floor. He rolled all that. He's a master of all that.
Yeah. He was around here not too long ago, wasn't he?
Yeah, 8 feet tall.
Yeah. So what was the inspiration behind the car?
I run this series, the ScottRods AA Gassers.
Okay. And
we just love gassers. It's what we do. So instead of being a spectator for about the last 10 years, it was time to actually join in and get in on the fun with them.
Yeah. How long have you been running ScottRods?
It's been probably 15 years or better.
Really? How'd you start out?
When I was a kid, we were painting cars, auto body, and just been doing it ever since.
Yeah.
And just one thing led to another, and then we started buying some tooling from companies that made fiberglass bodies.
Yeah.
And eventually we had bought 8 of them out of our competitors.
Really?
And we made a lot of molds of our own.
Wow.
It just kept growing.
Yeah. What was your first body?
51 Henry J.
Okay.
We still make a ton of them to this day.
Yeah, I bet. I was expecting Willys, but yeah.
Nope, it was Henry J. We built the Henry J because there was a lot of companies already making the Willys.
Yeah.
In the old Gasser wars, there had a lot of Henry J's in them back in the day.
Yeah.
But nobody was making them. So we picked that first to see, we thought the market would be a little bigger for it.
Yeah. It's kind of a two-man job to take off the hood, isn't it?
What's that? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Can you tell me about the motor a little bit?
Yeah, it's a 427. A little field 671 blower with a Hillborn injector on it.
Yeah.
Cast iron head.
Really, still cast iron? Well, I guess is that a rule that you all?
Yeah. We're all 671 blower. It could be carb or injection.
Yeah. Who did the exhaust? Because the exhaust is
Gordon, Crowman Fab.
Really? You did?
Yep. Yeah, it's all stainless.
Beautiful. It's beautiful. Did you have any input on the paint job itself, or?
Oh yeah, well I let Jimmy Pelosi handle putting the candy on. But the body is actually made in big flake gel coat. It's not painted.
Yeah.
The body was made in this silver. The entire body was. And then Jimmy put the candy on top of that for us. Like the bumpers, the side trim, that's actually all gel coat. We handmade, we custom made the bumpers. I wanted them to fit a little closer to the body. The originals had a big gap in between them in the body.
Yeah.
And I wanted them to be about 1/4 of an inch away all the way around. So we custom made them, changed things on them.
Do you sell those?
No. Nope.
One off?
They're one off. I have the molds for them. I probably could.
Yeah.
We make enough other stuff.
Yeah. So what all do you guys make other than bodies?
Oh, I make Willys, Henry J's, 32 Fords, 33s, 34s.
Yeah.
Willys trucks, Ford trucks. We make over 40 different cars and trucks total.
Are you just bodies, or do you
No, we do
else?
chassis, bodies, full roller packages.
Really?
I don't do any turnkey stuff.
Yeah.
We'll set there's motor in for them.
Yeah.
But we don't do any turnkey stuff.
Okay. And where are you guys out of?
Monroeville, Ohio.
Okay.
Very top of the state, right up dead in the middle.
Really? I like the hammer finish. The hammer finish is awesome.
Yeah, that was a process in itself. We completely had the car mocked up, painted, done, and then completely pulled it back apart and sent it off to powder coat. I didn't scratch a thing.
Is the whole frame hammer finish?
The underside looks just like the top side.
It's crazy. Anything painted underneath? Because I always like that.
No paint, it's all hammer tone.
Yeah. When do you expect to be on track with this?
Week after next.
Yeah.
We gotta go do a little testing with it.
Yeah.
Make some license passes, but if we didn't have to go to the Summit Nationals next week with our gassers, we'll be doing the show for the NHRA.
Okay.
We would be testing next week.
Gotcha. Well, I appreciate you giving me the time.
Heck yeah. Yeah, if you do that, shoot me a link.
Yeah, no, I will. I'm guessing you have Facebook and Facebook pages?
Facebook, Instagram.
Yeah,
really?
They're
all ScottRods too.
Okay. Alright, well, we have left the track now. We are actually almost home because I forgot to film an outro, but had a blast at Bowling Green, the Hot Rod reunion. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be going to the tractor pulls next weekend like I originally said, but we're just going to play it by ear. I've got quite a few videos to finish up, but if you guys made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Freaks of the Weeks, or go back and watch my old ones because those are alright too, I guess. The next event will probably be iTrack's Excite Round 2 at Carolina Motorsports Park. So stay tuned for all that awesome content with drift cars on road courses. So that'll be fun. Thanks for watching. Yeah.